channel. If you're new here, I'm Aunt Paige, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Fab Fit Fun winter box. My mom and dad picked this out and I have no clue what's in it, and I'm so excited to open it. Let's open it. Oh, it's good. Let's see. Ooh, what's in it? Here is what it looks like. It's a $50 box and it comes every 3 months or so. It's a 200 plus value. So I'm so excited to see what I got. Let's open it. I'm so excited to see what I got. Woo! The first thing that caught my attention is a makeup eraser. I'm curious. It's like shaped as an eraser. So this is a reusable makeup towel to where you just wash your makeup and then you just throw it in the washer and dryer and then it's clean and you can use it again. This is gonna get used a lot. And it's so soft and gentle. So here's a paper that tells you what the value is. So we're gonna figure out what the value is for this makeup eraser. Makeup eraser, 20 bucks. So we're up 20 bucks so far. The next thing that caught my attention is Prime and Prep Detangler. It looks nice. I want to open it and smell it. So I have it open. I'm gonna smell it. We're up $43 now. It smells like peppermint. It smells really good. The next thing that caught my eye is Soft Glow Focus Drops. And this is by Rodial. It is Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. This is $55, basically the price of the box. So, this is what it looks like. It is like a frosted glass thing with drops. The next thing that caught my attention is a pore cleaning clay mask.
This is by Erno Laszlo.
And it's 48 bucks. This is a big container. Look. I took off the cap. I want to smell it. Ooh. It smells like peaches. This
smells amazing.
The next one that was on top is a Natural Dead Sea Bath Salts by Ahava. This is by Ahava. And this cost $16. I wish I can smell it. Smells good. I know it. The next thing on top is a hand mask. Super hydrating hand mask. This is by Nail Sink and it costs $16. Look, I hope that's what they look like because that's cute. Can you even see? There. Ooh, this is a 2020, so 2020 notebook and it costs $27.95. It's so cute. It's like a nice flower thing. Then the next I see looks like to be a combined thing. It's shampoo and conditioner. Perfect hair shampoo and perfect conditioner by R&Co. Together they're $64. So that means they're $32 each. I'm going to have a link in the description for $15 off for your first box if you would like to get one. And they're amazing and I love it. It's totally worth your money, and I'll put the total price of how much I spent and how much it has in it. See you next video. Bye!